Section 1. Every week, someone tells me AI will replace construction managers. And every week, I see a $2 million project delayed for the same reasons projects have always been delayed. Wrong data, poor communication, decisions made too late. So today, no hype, no fear, no vendor talking points. Just an honest picture of what AI actually does in construction right now, what is still marketing noise, and what is genuinely coming. Section 2. What's real? Let's start with what is actually working. The first is computer vision for safety. AI-powered cameras on construction sites that detect workers without helmets, without harnesses, or entering exclusion zones in real time. This is not a concept. It is deployed today on major infrastructure projects across East Africa, the Middle East, and Europe. One system reduced PPE non-compliance incidents by over 60% within 6 months on a highway project. That is not artificial intelligence replacing a safety officer. That is artificial intelligence making a safety officer faster. The second is schedule delay prediction. Machine learning models trained on historical project data can now flag delays 2 to 4 weeks before they happen. They analyze weather patterns, procurement data, subcontractor performance history, and they surface the risk before it becomes a crisis. For a project manager running a program worth tens of millions, that early warning is the difference between a mitigation and an overrun. The third is automated quantity takeoff. Estimators know this pain well. Extracting quantities from drawings by hand takes days. Days of skilled time, repeated on every project, every tender. AI tools now extract quantities directly from two-dimensional drawings in hours. Not perfect. Human review is still required, but the baseline work is done. These three things, safety monitoring, delay prediction, automated takeoff, are real. They exist. They are in use. The return on investment can be measured.
Section 3. What's hype? Now, what is still mostly noise? First, fully autonomous construction robots. They exist in controlled laboratory environments. In a research facility with flat, clean surfaces and predictable conditions, a bricklaying robot performs well. On a real site with uneven terrain, last-minute design changes, mixed trades working simultaneously, and whether the economics do not work for most project types. Not yet. That word matters. Not yet. Second, AI will replace the project manager. Artificial intelligence handles pattern recognition on structured data. It does not manage a subcontractor dispute. It does not read a room. It cannot make a judgment call when the structural engineer and the client are both wrong. The project management role will change. It will require new skills, new tools, new ways of thinking, but it does not disappear. Third, and this one is important for anyone evaluating software right now, the platform that claims to do everything with AI. Most construction software marketed as artificial intelligence is workflow automation with the machine learning module attached. That is useful, but it is not intelligent. Before you sign any contract, ask this question: show me your model's accuracy. On projects similar to mine, in environments like mine, watch what happens. Section 4. What's coming? Now, what is genuinely on its way? The first is AI integrated BIM. Not a BIM model that sits static on a server while the building goes up differently on site. A model that self-updates from drone survey data, from IoT sensors, from site progress feeds, closing the gap between what was designed and what is actually being built. In 2 to 3 years, a project manager will be able to see that gap in real time, on a tablet, standing on the site. The second is generative design, scored for buildability. Not just, here are 10 design options, but here are 10 options, ranked by construction cost, program risk, and material availability simultaneously. The engineer and the project manager, working from the same intelligence, from day one. The third, and this is the one we find most significant for our work, is AI combined with GIS and remote sensing for site risk intelligence. Satellite imagery, geotechnical databases, historical weather and flood data, soil condition models, combined and analyzed before a shovel goes in the ground. The ability to produce a dynamic risk score for any project site anywhere before the first burr or dollar is committed. That is the future we are actively working toward. Section 5 Summary. AI in construction is not a revolution happening to you. It is a set of tools, some ready, some overhyped, some coming. The firms that understand the difference and act on it will have a serious competitive edge in the next 3 years. The firms that don't will keep buying expensive tools that nobody uses. The choice is in how you approach it. If you want to know where your project stands, we have built a free AI readiness checklist. 30 questions, 5 dimensions, a score you can act on. A 2BY Consult, your partner in construction excellence.